In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a to-do list on Clickup. Whether you're trying to organize your personal tasks or streamline your team's workflow, a to-do list can be extremely beneficial. So let's dive into the process and make task management a breeze with Clickup. To get started, we'll first head over to Clickup's website, open your preferred web browser and type in the Clickup URL. Once you're there, you'll notice a range of features that make Clickup a favorite among productivity enthusiasts. For us, let's focus on logging in, which you'll find at the upper right corner of the page. Click on the login button, and it will redirect you to the sign in page. If you're already using Google for your productivity needs, it's super handy to use the sign in with Google button. Just click it and a new window will pop up. Here you can select the Google account you'd like to use. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one associated with your Clickup account to avoid any confusion later on. Once you've selected your account, you'll seamlessly be logged into Clickup. Now that we're logged in, it's time to create a new task or navigate to an existing one that you need to manage. From your Clickup dashboard, you'll see a variety of tasks or projects. Select the one where you want to incorporate a to-do list. This step is crucial because each to-do list in Clickup is associated with a specific task to keep everything organized. With your task selected, look for the Create Checklist option. This is typically right within the task interface and is easy to locate. Clicking this will open up the checklist feature and you're ready to refine your task management further. You might notice it looks a bit bare bones at first, but this is where you truly get to personalize it. Here's a tip: give your checklist a specific name. If it's a to-do list, name it something intuitive such as to-do tasks. Naming is more significant than you might think, especially when dealing with multiple checklists across various tasks. It keeps everything streamlined and prevents those frustrating moments when you have to identify lists at a glance. With your checklist named, go ahead and type out all the tasks or subtasks you want included. Ensure they are clear and actionable. ClickUp allows you to add as many items as you need. This is perfect for breaking complex tasks into manageable parts. Take advantage of this to detail each step necessary for your task completion. And there you have it. Your to-do list within ClickUp is ready to assist you in conquering your tasks with precision and efficiency. By following these steps, you're all set to enhance your productivity and keep track of all your projects. Happy task managing.